Today, I am reviewing the Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. From the first listening session, the sound signature stands out as clean and well-controlled. The combination of the 13mm silk dome tweeter and the 4-inch full-range driver produces audio that feels smooth and coherent rather than sharp or fatiguing. Vocals sound clear and present. Instruments are well separated, and dialogue in videos or movies is easy to understand without needing to raise the volume. These speakers don't try to overwhelm you with booming lows, but instead deliver bass that is tight and musical, which makes them particularly enjoyable for longer listening sessions. The 42 watts of RMS power is more than enough for near-field listening and medium-sized rooms. At normal volumes, the sound remains detailed and composed, and even when pushed louder, the speakers maintain clarity without noticeable distortion. This makes them a great option for desktop setups where you want strong presence without shaking the room, as well as for casual living room use where balanced sound matters more than sheer volume. What really stands out during daily use is how natural the speakers sound across different types of audio. Music feels warm and engaging, especially acoustic tracks, jazz, classical, and vocals. For gaming, positional sounds are easy to pick out, and nothing feels overly compressed or muddy. When watching movies or YouTube content, dialogue stays clear even during busy scenes, which is something budget speakers often struggle with. The overall tuning feels intentional and refined, rather than boosted in one area to mask weaknesses. The wooden enclosure plays a noticeable role in the sound quality. The MDF cabinet helps reduce unwanted resonance, giving the speakers a fuller, more grounded sound compared to plastic alternatives. Beyond audio performance, the classic wood finish adds a level of visual appeal that blends easily into most home or office environments. They don't look like typical computer speakers, and that subtle, bookshelf-style design makes them feel more premium than their price suggests. Everyday usability is another area where the R1280T shines. The dual UX input allows you to connect two devices at the same time, which is incredibly convenient if you switch between a computer and a phone or other audio source. Being able to play from two devices without unplugging cables quickly becomes one of those features you don't want to give up once you're used to it. The side panel controls are simple and effective. The volume, bass, and treble knobs allow you to fine-tune the sound to your preference without digging through software or apps. These controls feel solid and responsive, making small adjustments easy. The included remote control adds another layer of convenience, especially when the speakers are placed slightly out of reach. Adjusting volume from your chair or bed makes the listening experience more relaxed and user-friendly. Over time, what becomes most impressive about the Edifier R1280T is how consistent they are. There's no harshness that creeps in during longer sessions, and no need to constantly tweak settings depending on what you're listening to. They simply deliver a dependable, enjoyable sound that works across a wide range of use cases. This reliability makes them especially appealing for people who want a set of speakers they can turn on and trust every day. After extended use, the Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers feel like a thoughtful balance between sound quality, design, and practicality. They don't try to compete with high-end studio monitors or bass-heavy party speakers. Instead, they focus on doing the fundamentals extremely well. For anyone looking for clear, warm, and natural-sounding speakers for a desk, home office, or small living space, these speakers offer a listening experience that feels refined, comfortable, and genuinely satisfying over the long term.